Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Well, go on, but there again, the people. Man, has big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone are right, you see? Yeah, so I have some things I want to talk to you about, and I think I'm going to start off with a video, alright? Yeah, so first things first, I'm going to present to you a piece of a video that shows some things that happened during a confrontation between several persons who was inside of a public transportation motor vehicle. I mean, the public transportation motor vehicle was in motion and several persons who was inside of the public transportation motor vehicle was involved in a confrontation during subscribers. And a part of the video shows when one person hit one person, then another person hit another person, then another person hit another person during subscribers. That situation can be considered as some kind of fight between those persons who was inside of the public transportation motor vehicle. Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this piece of video to you is because the video has been talked about on social media. And I'd like you to look and listen to this video and tell me what you think about this hostile situation, because I think the situation is a hostile one. You see me I say? And I would like you to tell me, what would you do if you're on a public transportation motor vehicle and there was persons fighting with each other? Tell me, what would you do? My best advice is to try and get off that public transportation motor vehicle the safest way possible. Don't try to get off while the motor vehicle is in motion. Do not do that. Alright? Now, please bear in mind that you can hear yelling and shouting in this video. You can hear harsh language in this video. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's a video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself. Come on. I tell you like people, them situation they just make we look away. You know what I mean? Make we look like we have some form of big problem towards each other. You see me I say? So obviously you can hear where one person basically I said that the person want to get off of the bus and somehow somebody hit somebody, then somebody hit somebody, then another person hit a different person and the thing just turned out one big, you know what I mean, problem. You know what I mean, people? It just set away. Saying, I mean, why people can't just come together and just resolve them issues in a peaceful way? Why it have to turn out in such a confusion, yelling, shouting, it just set away, you see me? And I know this me and this nobody, you know. Me just I say, I'm more calm away. Just look away. But my people, you can let me know what you think. Now, I saw another piece of video pertaining to that situation, but certain things I'm seeing in the video, me really and truly can't confirm if it connected. But me I just left that alone. The point is, one of the reasons why I presented piece of that entire video to you is because the entire video is being talked about on social media. You see? And some comments made on social media about the entire video. So I just present piece of the video to you so that you can have an understanding about the situation. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what would you do if you're on a public transportation motor vehicle and find yourself in a situation where persons or a certain amount of persons are fight with each other. What would you do? Me, I would try to get off that public transportation motor vehicle the safest way. You see? Yeah, I'm gonna try to get off the safest way from off of that. Don't ever try to come off of a moving motor vehicle. Don't do that. Big dangerous thing that's not at no time you should do that. Alright? So let me know what you think. Now, I got information that another female filed a lawsuit against Bill Cosby. Bill Cosby, you know, the comedian Bill Cosby, me I talk about my people. See? Now, based on information we get, you know, at least 5 other women filed lawsuit against Bill Cosby, you know. Listen to these information we get, see? Yeah, so I'm going to explain to you in my words and according to how I understand the news articles that I read about this whole situation. All right, so listen. So it is said that a woman who alleges that Bill Cosby drugged and sexually assaulted her in the 1980s sued the comedian actor. You know. See? At least 5 other women filed a similar lawsuit earlier against Bill Cosby, you know. So, listen to this. It is said that the female who filed the lawsuit against Bill Cosby claimed that Bill Cosby drugged her at a restaurant and took her back to his hotel room, and that the lawsuit alleges that Bill Cosby engaged in forced sexual intercourse with the female while she was being affected by drugs. Yeah, you hear them sitting there, my people. One news article said that the lawsuit comes more than a year after Bill Cosby left prison after his 2018 sexual assault conviction in Pennsylvania was overturned. And it also said that a woman was awarded $500,000. And by the context of the news article, viewers and subscribers, I think it is safe for me to say United States of America. According to Wikipedia, Bill Cosby is 85-year-old, viewers and subscribers. See? Bill Cosby is not a young person, you know. He's a man of age, viewers and subscribers. See? And for quite amount of time now, me keep on here say this woman last swim, then this woman and this, and now me I get another information say another woman a swim. Like for real, me people. So me no know, but boy, me I tell you that female gym no fear go through so much sitting, boy. Me I tell you. Yeah, but it all depends on how you live still. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, me know where you watch. Dancehall.
hear me now?
Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.